Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Today I'm looking at a very inexpensive wireless mic for your iPhone. A lot of people talk about very expensive wireless microphones from, let's say, it's $50 to $500. Well, this one here was actually, I think, around 15 bucks or under. I'll leave a link down below in the description for this type of microphone here. Honestly, if you're just starting out on YouTube or vlogging or whatever it is, really good starter bundle pro for this one here, bundle package for this one. It's not expensive at all. It does work. It's plug and play, and the audio is not bad. So listen to the video, watch this video. I'm going to just do a quick unboxing, and then you're actually going to hear the difference. Right now, I'm recording on my GoPro on the audio itself. This is just direct microphone from the shotgun microphone on the camera, and I'm going to plug it into my iPhone in 1 second. So just stay tuned, watch this video, and you're going to hear the audio coming out of the. I'm going to just dub the audio in from this from the phone. So let's go over the package. So it came like this, just like you see here, very inexpensive little hang tag. Nothing fancy. This is a no frills microphone, but it does work. I have to tell you, it does work. It's got decent range. It's rechargeable and it's plug and play. So that's all you have to worry about. Really simple to do. So let's take a look at the package. What's in the package? Again, not much, as you can see here. It's the microphone itself. As you can see, microphone has a windscreen on it. Does it fit? Oh no, it does come off. Okay, as you can see here, it does come off, so I would leave it on. It gives you the best protection, unless you're really working close with it, that you could hear that noise. Better than that, it's good. It's got a little clip here that you can clip it onto your jacket or on your shirt, whatever. It doesn't pivot. There's very limited, but it does work. It has a USB charger right here on the side. So this is really the main body, and this is the receiver. Now here's a receiver, as you can see here. So it is all set to go. It's got the lightning cable around on the end of it. So this is for an iPhone. It does have basic charging cable. It does come with the USB-C, actually charging cable, and it charges it pretty quickly. And there's not much information in the manual, like how long it runs, how long you have to charge it for. So not a lot of information in here, but honestly, for the price point for under $15, or I think it's well under $15, it's not bad. It just gives you some basic information, very little about plug and play, how to turn it on, things like that. So really not a lot of information on how long it takes to charge. I charged it up, the light went off and it's charged. That's pretty much what you did. When it goes on, it turns green, and that's pretty much all the feedback you're getting from it. It does come with the cable, like I said. So let's take a quick look at it. Now, if you have an iPhone like I do, and you have a case like this here, like a big beefy case, like this one here as a beefy case, or if you have anything really heavy and thick, this won't work. Okay, you can see here, if you open up the case, you can't get this in here. It won't connect. So I recommend getting a little adapter. It's just easy, and I'll leave a link for this one down below as well. I use this one, and this does work, so you can be rest assured this is going to work. So just to let you know, this is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you purchase this. It just helps support my channel. Just sort of be transparent about that. Always transparent. So if this does help you, let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate that. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Appreciate that. Click it on, just like you see here, and then I'm just going to plug it in here. So that gives me the extension. This works no problem. Let's get the phone on. So here's the microphone. And so I'm going to show you. Let's see. I'm going to turn it on. So to turn it on is a little button in the back right here. You just hold this little button down, and you're going to see it blinking. See it? Green. It's all set. It's already connected. It's good to go. If that's blinking, it's not connected. If it's green, you're good to go. That's all you have to know. There's not a lot of information here. And I'm going to start recording. So right now I'm recording on my iPhone, and I'm going to actually put this up to my lapel right now. I'm going to put this on here. 1 second. And now I'm going to switch right now. Okay, so now I'm talking to you on my iPhone. So here's my iPhone right here. I'm actually recording the audio right now on the microphone. So yes, it's definitely a little bit different sound than you heard before. So this is more isolated. So hopefully you can hear the difference of the microphone. So it works well. It does exactly what it does, what it says it does. And I'm just recording right now as I'm talking. You can be anywhere in the room. You can be, shooting your video, your footage, and just going around, and everything is going into the microphone, right into the phone, recorded directly, and it's fantastic. So I'm just going to dub this audio in real quick, and we're just going to listen to it. So what do you think about the audio? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much for tuning into your review channel. It's been a great day, and hopefully you're learning a little bit about wireless microphones, inexpensive gear to get going. And that's what this segment's about. Very inexpensive. To get you going, you want a wireless mic, right here. Here's a cheap one. Let me take it off right now. Pull it off. And here it is right here. So I'm still recording on the microphone. And here you can still see its screen. I've had no issues at all. And I'm talking directly into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pulling it away. This is around 4 inches, 6 inches. This is around 8 inches, 8 to 10 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it's designed for close users. You can hear I'm talking very close now to it. So it's designed to be on your body and close to your mouth, but not on top of your mouth. Basically on the collar or right below your chest right there. That's where this belongs. So it does work, and it works fantastic. All right, so I'll just disconnect this to shut it off. You hold it down and powers down. Disconnect it when you're all done, and that video is recorded. So we'll dump that in a minute. You'll hear that. So that's it. I just wanted to bring this to you, a quick video, not too long. And this is it. Very inexpensive, and it works perfectly. So I love this item. I definitely highly recommend it if you're starting out vlogging, something inexpensive. This is the way to go. Appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.